Despite CDC warnings, a University of Maryland medical system survey shows that nearly 50% of Marylanders won't change their in-person Thanksgiving plans due to COVID-19. WMAR2 News' Ray Strickland joins us live now from Baltimore tonight. Ray, I'm sure this was not the response that the head of the governor's coronavirus task force was hoping for.
Yeah, Kelly, Dr. David Marcosi said that he is concerned about these results because it basically shows that people aren't listening to the CDC warnings, as you mentioned, but that doesn't mean people aren't concerned about the virus, because in that survey, 65% of Marylanders said that they are likely to take the vaccine. On a day when this public safety alert came to Marylanders' cell phones, urging them to stay safe during Thanksgiving, a survey done by the University of Maryland medical system found many of them aren't taking that advice.
We don't want to make a decision today that negatively impacts the ones we love tomorrow.
The online survey polled 525 people, and nearly 50% of them said they are unwilling to change their plans for in-person gatherings during the holiday.
It is a word of caution to those folks who may not have changed their plans. I think it's time to reconsider that.
Dr. David Marcosi, who is a member of the governor's coronavirus task force, says these gatherings could potentially become super spreader events, which could make a second wave worse and put a significant strain on our healthcare system.
Our Thanksgiving should be exactly the way we sit around the table today.
But on a positive note, the survey also found 65% of Marylanders will likely get a COVID-19 vaccine. Dr. Marcosi says the results are encouraging, but also shows many people still don't have confidence in the vaccination process.
It's important for us to understand that so we can effectively communicate to folks so they can understand the science behind it and maybe have more confidence and more receptivity to taking the vaccine.
And Dr. Marcosi is once again urging folks not to have people outside of your household over for the holiday. By doing so, he's hoping that we can get through this Thanksgiving without it contributing to more people getting sick and ending up in the hospital. Live in Baltimore, Ray Strickland, WMAR2 News.